Let me show you how I made this delicious, rich and irresistible Nigerian cuisine called oha soup. Oha soup is a very traditional soup from southeastern Nigeria, similar to bitter leaf soup but made with oha leaves. I am very happy to welcome you to my channel. Please watch this video to the end, subscribe and stay connected. Start by boiling the cocoyam. Once it gets soft, drain the water and allow to cool. Then peel and blend with very little water. You can use either a mortar and pestle or a blender, but make sure it doesn't have lumps after blending. Everything should come out very smooth, just like the one you are seeing in this video. For the other ingredients, I used ogiri, washed stockfish, cooked cow skin, palm oil, cooked goat meat, shredded oha leaves, cleaned dry catfish, blended fresh pepper, fresh beef, blended crayfish, and uziza leaves. There are different types of ogiri, but the one I used in this video was ogirisi. Ogiri gives your soup a natural or organic taste. It also contains many health benefits. So let's start by boiling the meat with salt and seasoning. The other ingredients are already cooked, so they will be going in later. Cover and let it cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add the cooked goat meat and allow to cook for some minutes. Then go in with the cow skin and add more water. As you can see in this video, I'm always using hot water. Whenever you are making your soup, always use hot water to hasten the boiling or cooking process. Then add the blended crayfish. Add the palm oil. Add some more. Add ogiri. Try and dissolve the ogiri using your spoon. You can also dissolve in little water before adding to the soup. Stir properly and add the blended pepper. Then add the stockfish. Now go ahead and add the blended cocoyam bit by bit. Don't add all at once so that it doesn't come out lumpy. Keep adding it bit by bit. After adding the cocoyam, cover and let it cook for 10 minutes or until all the cocoyam is completely dissolved. Make sure that all the cocoyam is dissolved. Add seasoning and salt. Make sure the palm oil is not separated, otherwise add little cocoyam to absorb or stabilize the palm oil. Our soup is already looking so fine. And it's coming out very well. Then add the dry catfish and let it cook for some minutes. At this point, you can adjust the thickness of your soup, either by adding little water if it is too thick, or little cocoyam if it is too light. Don't forget to taste. Ensure the salt and seasoning and other ingredients are to your taste. Add some uziza leaves for a unique flavor. Add the shredded oha leaves and stir properly. To keep the oha fresh, make sure it doesn't cook for a longer time. 30 seconds should be okay. And make sure you lower the heat. You can customize your proteins or ingredients. That is, you can decide to use either goat's meat, beef, or cow skin. But in all you do, make sure to use stockfish and crayfish. Nothing beats the aroma of stockfish in a traditional Igbo soup. Ofo or ashi can also be used in place of cocoyam. Our rich and delicious oha soup is ready. If you want to make an appealing oha soup, make sure you use good palm oil and ohocha, that is the brighter type of oha. There are two types of oha, the brighter ones and the darker ones. So if you want to make your soup very inviting and irresistible, use the brighter ones like this. Just look at the quality of this soup. Look at how rich this soup is. This is a rich traditional Igbo soup. The aroma is everywhere, calling everyone to come and have a taste. This is beautiful and yummy yummy. Go ahead and enjoy this with any swallow of your choice. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, subscribe and turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever I post my delicious recipes. Also share so that others can learn the authentic way of making this soup. Since there are lots of adulterated palm oil in the market, I am going to list ways of identifying good palm oil in the description. Make sure to check this. Enjoy!